Hey guys, my name is Sucharita and you're listening to me / perhaps watching me on the Taking It Slow podcast. If you liked this conversation, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you follow them on Spotify, Instagram, wherever. These conversations are good. These conversations are important. And it's always fun to talk to young boys.
It's a Sunday. You know what that means. It's time to take it slow. और विशु क्या हालचाल?
यार बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हाल चाल है.
We have a very special guest lined up today, and I've been watching her content for a number of years now. I used to listen to her, and then I now watch her. I follow her opinions and thoughts on Twitter. She's been a thought leader for the generation that I belong to for in quite a number of ways, and it has been an absolute privilege to have her on the podcast. We've been trying to get her for a very long time, and finally she has agreed to grace us with her presence. And without any further ado, let's dive right in, people. It'll be too easy to call it not a podcast, so I'm not going to do that. She's a writer, she's a film critic, she's a talk show host, she's a former RJ, and one of the very few sane voices left on Twitter. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome Sucharita Tyagi on Taking It Slow podcast. Hi Sucharita, and she is not here.
कितना सही है. यार वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंट्रीज टू आवर पॉडकास्ट. अभी तक ऐसा नॉर्मल सा एंट्री होता था सबका.
The best entry, period. The best entry, yes. Unveiling, Sucharita.
थैंक्स यार, थैंक्स. इज इट आशीर्वाद और या फिर ये वेव्स है?
If you want Ashirwad, it is Ashirwad. If you want it to be a high five, it's a high five. It is whatever you want it to be. Very versatile.
बहुत सही. नाइस. सुचरिता, सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ, आप यूएस में हो अभी, तो कैसा लग रहा है एक्चुअल डेमोक्रेसी में रहना?
यार यहाँ पे भी मजाक ही है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. पिछले 4 सालों से यहाँ पे मजाक ही चल रहा है. अभी धीरे धीरे देख रहे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. पूरी दुनिया देख रही है व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन. बट जनवरी हैज बीन अ वेरी लाइक रैंडम month politically speaking here for the United States. So let's see. Right now तो I think the only thing is कि वैक्सीन लग जाए सबको, बस जल्दी से यहाँ पे भी लग जाए और वहाँ पे भी लग जाए, और जो भी करना है बस टीके लगवा लो. अब डेमोक्रेसी को बाद में देखेंगे.
माहौल सुना है कि कुछ लोगों, कुछ स्टेट्स के पास ओवर अबंडेंस है, कुछ स्टेट्स के पास है नहीं, कुछ लोग डस्टबिन में फेंक रहे हैं.
हैपहैज़र्ड है यार, बहुत हैपहैज़र्ड है यहाँ पे. ट्रम्प ने बहुत ही, मतलब फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम नॉट अ पॉलिटिकल पंडित एट ऑल, बट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट दे डिडंट रियली हैव अ प्लेबुक एंड दे वर जस्ट काइंड ऑफ विंगिंग इट. And now that Joe Biden and Kamala Harris are like, क्या छोड़ के क्या करा ये इसने. Oh my. So they're just trying to figure it out right now, I guess.
इसको सही करने में अभी तो कुछ लग जाएंगे 6-7 महीने.
They're just
ट्रम्प का
perennially sitting with face palms.
इलेक्शन हारते ही ऐसा लगा मेरे को यार कि लाइक एक से स्नैप हुआ दैट एंड आई वोक अप फ्रॉम अ ड्रीम कि अच्छा ये सब असलियत में चल रहा था क्या. अच्छा असली पॉलिटिक्स ऐसी होती है व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग द राइट डिसीजंस.
टेक ओवर करते हुए एक मस्त सी लाइन बोली थी दैट दे लेफ्ट नथिंग, द लास्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेफ्ट नथिंग फॉर अस, एंड the cupboards were empty, they were bare cupboards. That didn't age well.
पता नहीं यार, we'll see how it goes now. Let's see. There is
थोड़ा सैनिटी रिस्टोर होने लगे सुचारिता वहां पे.
भाई एक्चुअल फर्क पड़ा है कुछ?
भाई मेरे को क्या पता यार, मैं तो घर के अंदर बैठी हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे वोट नहीं करती. नहीं यार, मैं टूरिस्ट हूँ, मैं वोट भी नहीं करती. मेरा कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है पॉलिटिक्स में इधर. वट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई एम गेटिंग द सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन इज यू गाइज. इट्स ऑन CNN or on Twitter. Really, I have not Fox News, no. But that's Fox News is where Fox News walked, so Republic TV could run. So I don't watch either of those channels, of course.
तो क्यों ही आना, वापस रहो ना वहीं पे. अच्छी लाइफ है, मतलब कम से कम पागल लोग नहीं है.
पागल लोग हर जगह हैं.
पागल लोग हैं यार, कैसी बातें कर रहे हो. There's all kinds of people everywhere. आ जाऊंगी वापस यार. कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हो जाएगा which needs me to be in person in Mumbai, तो आ जाऊंगी. Right now there's no in-person work happening. Everything is happening remotely, so that's why.
मतलब आप कह रहे थे रिमोटली काम कर रहे हो, तो अभी कर क्या रहे हो आजकल? आई सॉ योर इंटरेक्शन विद अली फजल एंड वेरी क्यूट appearances by Richa also. How what have you been up to these days?
Just watching movies. Yeah, everything I was doing in last 1 year, watching movies, talking about movies. I've started my own channel, so there I'm working a little extra hard because I am one person army. So अपना writing, shooting, editing, uploading, SEO doing, distributing, everything is all me. Which is what's keeping me busy. And then there's little projects here and there. Something happens here, something happens there. But everything is remote. Mostly, films are releasing. Some have started releasing exclusively in theaters now. So, like, I couldn't watch Richa Chadda. Speaking of Richa, I couldn't watch Madam Chief Minister because it exclusively released in theaters. So I didn't really get to watch that film. I would have really liked to. But apart from that, 96% movies are releasing now on OTT. Or if they're not, then production houses are sending select film critics, screeners to watch the film. So that's what I'm busy doing, watching movies.
आप कुछ फर्क पड़ा आपका एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस में? पहले आप ऑटो पकड़ के या कार में थिएटर तक जाओगे, मुंबई ट्रैफिक
टाइम
को बीट
बचता है.
करके.
अब टाइम बचता है. दिस इज अ बेटर वे टू काइंड ऑफ streamline your day. You can watch it right before bed, or you can watch it first thing in the morning, depending on what deadline you're working with. But it definitely saves time that you don't have to get stuck in traffic anymore, which I prefer. Before this also, there were some movies that we were watching in screeners. We were watching it out, earlier than we would watch a theatrical release, and that actually gives you more time to really absorb the film, do your research, and write about it. So I think from a film critic's point of view, it is definitely much better, much better. From
Isn't it more difficult also? Because मूवी थिएटर में अगर आप गए हो तो आपको 3 घंटे बैठना ही है, जैसी भी खराब भी मूवी है, जितनी भी वाहियात मूवी आपको लग रही है.
yeah.
बट अब आपके हाथ में रिमोट है, मन ने किया बंद कर दिया,
नहीं,
फिर
पर वो
उठ
नहीं
के
कर सकते ना, वो मेरा काम है.
जॉब है यार वो तो.
I have to do my work with sincerity, and that's the sincerity that this work demands. That once you start watching it, you see it through. You surrender to whatever you're watching 100%. So नहीं, बंद नहीं कर सकते. वो उसके लिए फिर हम सीरीज देखते हैं, जिसमें आपने एक एपिसोड देखा और दूसरा छोड़ दिया, दूसरा अगले दिन देखा, that kind of thing. But for a movie, no, never. It's a sin to pause it in the middle.
तो सुचारिता, एक मूवी क्रिटिक की लाइफ मतलब कितना हेक्टिक होता है या कितना चिल्ड आउट होता है, और द परफेक्ट बैलेंस?
It's as hectic and as chilled out as you want it to be, because film criticism is not just limited to watching a film and writing a review. There is a lot
Yeah.
involved. There's a different kinds of analyses involved. You go back to older films. You go back to doing directors' filmography. You can do a whole series on cinematographers. You can do a whole series on writers. So you keep yourself as busy or as occupied or as vela as you would like. It also depends upon what your employment situation is, where you are, if you're a freelance film critic, or if you are employed at a publication, or if you're contractual at a publication. For instance, my involvement with Film Companion is very different from Anupama Chopra's involvement with Film Companion, because she's the CEO and founder of Film Companion. So she does a lot more, whereas I am only contractually obligated to do my Not a Movie review videos, which is a finite number every month. Rahul Desai's involvement is different. Bharadwaj Rangan's involvement is different. So you're as busy and as villa as you would like to be, and as you choose and you decide, I guess. Yeah.
आप अभी बात कर रहे थे मूवी रिलीजेस की, जो सोली थिएट्रिकल है, काफी ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म से भी रिलीज हो रही है. अभी कुछ टाइम पहले हम लोग देख रहे थे कि सिनेमा हाउसेज ने लेटर्स निकालने शुरू किए हैं, ओपन लेटर्स, दैट यू आर बाईपासिंग योर मेन सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. हम लोगों को काफी इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है बिजनेस. होल्ड ऑन योर टू योर मूवी रिलीजेस, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट? मतलब क्लचिंग एट स्ट्रॉज, इज इट क्या चल क्या रहा है?
I don't know. I don't really have a dog in that fight. And all I can do is sit outside, watch, and opine. My opinion really doesn't matter. There is a literal pandemic going on.
Yeah.
I will not encourage people to go out and go into movie theaters and watch a film, because it's not something that I would do. A movie theater chain wanted me to go to their theater and watch a film and post a video from there saying, "Guys, I'm here and it's so cool." And I was like, "No, thanks." You can pay me all you want, but I won't do it, because it's just not safe.
It's wrong.
Wrong or right, I mean, it's not something I would do ना. तो अगर मैं नहीं करूंगी, वही बात है कि मैंने कोका कोला पीनी नहीं, तो मैं कोका कोला का ऐड क्यों करूं, जैसे बोला था अमिताभ बच्चन ने एट वन पॉइंट. बट थिएटर्स में आई अंडरस्टैंड है, सबके लाइवलीहुड है इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों के लाइवलीहुड जुड़े हुए हैं और लोग परेशान हैं, और सेफ तरीके हैं कुछ करने के तो करें. आगे मैं तो अभी थिएटर में नहीं जाऊंगी. आई डोंट थिंक एटलीस्ट अंटिल आई एम वैक्सीनेटेड आई एम गोना गेट टू गो.
टाइम लगेगा ना for the movie industry, the film industry to get back to their feet, because revenue stream तो distribution ही है eventually at the end of the day probably. Cinema halls
for any industry, it's the same, right? Not all industries have jumped back up and our people who lost their jobs last year, millions of people who lost their jobs last year, don't all have jobs again
Yeah.
across sectors. So it's the film industry is going to take as much as any other industry would to really get back to normal.
And even after the vaccine is there, आप बोल रहे थे after you're vaccinated, you might contemplate stepping into a theater. There will be a feeling of apprehension. कि पता नहीं how successful is the vaccine. You want to
I
wait
don't
for
think I'm ever taking off my mask ever, like for as long as I'm alive. But at least when I'm vaccinated, I'm sure that I won't get it. But the science is still not clear on whether I can still be a carrier.
Yeah.
Vaccines work. I am 100% confident in vaccines and vaccinations. I'm not one of those dumbasses who's like, I'm not going to get a shot because I don't know what I'm putting into my body.
Yeah,
Shut
right.
up. Shut up. But I don't know if the science is still clear on whether I can still be a carrier and give it to other people. So I'll go out, but I don't think I'm ever taking off my mask. Guys.
And नहीं यार जल्दी हो जाएगा मतलब आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया दे आर नॉट टू एम्प्रीहेंसिव राइट नाउ टू गो आउट जैसे आप अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो सुचारिता आप अभी घर पे हो लेकिन मैं रोज मेट्रो में ट्रैवल करता हूँ
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
तो हाँ अपने ऑफिस जाने के लिए और अब वो एकदम उस लेवल पे आ गई है जहाँ पे पहले होता था एंड इट इज इवन मोर क्राउडेड क्योंकि दिल्ली मेट्रो को दिखाने के हम सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कर रहे हैं तो हम बस ऑल्टरनेट सीट्स पे बैठ सकते हैं
हाँ, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
सारे लोग खड़े होके एक दूसरे के ऊपर ब्रीथ करते हैं लेकिन वो बैठ नहीं सकते
wow.
But are
Yeah.
people wearing masks and everything?
या
in the
या
Delhi metro?
मेट्रो में तो कर रहे हैं दे आर
Mask
बट
पहने हो सबने।
जैसे ही आप थोड़ा सा रूरल एरिया में चले जाते हो जरा सा इट्स लाइक पीपल आर ऑलरेडी वैक्सीनेटेड
People
हम
are
दिल्ली
अच्छा, they're
हाँ,
pretending like they're vaccinated.
yeah no one cares and people are being mask shamed like if you go to a
अरे
function
भाई.
तो
That
अगर
brings
तुमने
back
मास्क
so
पहना हुआ है
many-
तुझे ही आके कोरोना लगने वाला है यहाँ सबने नहीं पहना हुआ तू ही ज्यादा समझदार है
पागल लोग यार, कुछ भी लोग बोलते हैं। उफ।
and not
नहीं,
and
it's
this
fine, whatever.
function wala is not just for rural areas
ये
No,
तो
of course
हमारे
not. It's
जम्मू
everywhere.
कश्मीर में देखा
Hello.
है, yeah.
I am in Florida. It's here more than anywhere else. People are just like, there are people, of course, there are people who are wearing masks, but like I still wouldn't go to a mall or anything because there's many people here walking around without masks. Many, many,
Yeah.
many people.
यार सुजाता एक्टिंग भी करी है आपने
AK versus AK?
लुत्फ की बात कर रहा हूँ
अरे यार वो तो ऐसे ही that was just a short film. We shot it like 2 years ago or something, I think. It was just a fun one day thing.
विनय
and
पाठक
that's
के
it.
साथ की ना वो?
Yeah.
जो एक्टिंग में जाने गए फुल टाइम कभी
हाँ
और फिर अपने रिव्यू सुनने हैं कि मैं कैसे एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ
नहीं, मुझे एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है बिकॉज मुझसे होती नहीं है. इट्स वेरी हार्ड. Very hard. It's not. It's a craft. I don't know.
Yeah.
I know nothing about. I know nothing about acting as a skill. I don't have that skill. So it's not something that I would like to pursue.
you are happy where you are
Very happy. I would just. This is what I want to do now. I want to now only just work on encouraging more conversations and discourse around cinema. Really, that's it.
and honestly I think I've told you that on Twitter as well. That is in my opinion your best format where you really shine out while having conversations.
That's very kind. Thank you.
So I
Sujaita,
do enjoy I do enjoy not a movie reviews but जो आपके जैसे अभी अली फजल के साथ था पहले भी आपके जो आपने सीरीज निकाली दिस इज absolutely lovely. There is a level of comfort and a level of ease as if two friends are sitting and chatting together and that is something that rarely comes out in the public domain na?
Yeah, I did radio for many years, right? So
Yeah,
doing conversations with celebrities is it's not intimidating anymore because I did it for years and years and years. But that doesn't mean that I'm like, हाँ कर लेंगे, no. It still requires a lot of prep and a
Preparation.
lot of focused work before.
What
going
sort of
into it.
preparation does goes into all this? So you put out multiple types of content. You put out
Yeah.
videos, of course. You write.
Yeah.
You put out conversational videos like we just talked about.
Yeah.
What is your favorite format amongst all these, and what level of preparation goes into every single format?
Frankly speaking, the most daunting task of all the kind of different mini productions I put out, the most daunting is the reviews. it takes me like sometimes up to a whole day to put my thoughts together before I begin writing. Because watching a film takes you about 2 hours at a stretch, or 2.5 hours at a stretch if you're watching it in a theater and there's an interval. But when you're watching at home, it's only 2 hours or 2 hours 15 minutes. And then after that, if you take a break, you want to eat a meal or whatever. It takes me at least, now it's taking me at least up to 4 to 5 hours of putting my thoughts together before I start writing. Then the writing process takes up to 2 hours at least. And it's not because, I've become lazy or whatever, but in this last 1 year, my perspective towards the world has changed in a very big way. Like, what is really important and what really matters, and what is what is our purpose, and what are we giving, and what is our contribution to society, and what is the point of making
मैं
movie
क्यों हूँ?
reviews? क्यों
मैं क्यों
हूँ
हूँ?
मैं क्यों हूँ? Right? Why are you?
Yeah.
So that's why the amount of thought that goes into writing a movie review now is more. I try to make more sense. I don't know if I'm succeeding in it or not. I mean, obviously the research and the information gathering is there. And sometimes after you watch the film, then I go back and watch the trailer. I try not to watch trailers before movies release. Then I go and watch the trailer and other promotional stuff that the film has been putting out. And then, like, with a more comprehensive understanding of what I'm talking about, write my review.
You try to make more sense now. मतलब, do you try to evolve yourself? कि मैं पहले ऐसे videos बनाती थी, now I'm seeing a visible progression in my own work.
That is the natural process of evolution, isn't it? It's people. You don't necessarily have to actively go back to your old videos and make notes of things that, oh, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do this anymore. You sometimes, if that's your process, that's what you do. But for me, the more you consume and the more you learn and the more you expand your horizons, the more you kind of realize what is important and what isn't, and that helps you write better and edit better and present better, I guess. Yeah.
People are definitely noticing, Sucharita, okay, you are evolving now that
Yeah.
you are sitting down and giving reviews and you are using big words. Definitely noticing.
Look, I understand. Okay, when you're standing and talking, your body language is entirely different. I get it. When you're sitting and talking, your body language is entirely different. I get it. That's why, like, there's a reason why comedy is stand up, right? You're standing up and talking to people. You're not sitting on a chair and talking to people. Maybe you are. I don't know. I understand that, but it's really kind of like, अच्छा तुम बैठ गई हो इसलिए अब तुम boring हो गई हो.
वो पता नहीं है अब.
ठीक है भाई. Sorry.
Do you have any mentors? Like, you obviously work with Anupama, whose feedback you seek on your work, whose feedback you actually value on your work?
Not actively. I value all feedback as long as it's respectful feedback and not not feminazi.
Yeah, that's
But
not
no,
feedback. Huh?
Yeah, but it's I have many friends. I have many friends who write to me every time I put something out, and I read comments obsessively. People say don't go into the comments because most of them are trolls, but I read comments obsessively because it really helps me understand the conversations that are going around right now.
Yeah, I've seen you reply to a number of
Yeah,
idiots
obsessed.
on Twitter for no reason at all. मतलब मुझे कई बार देख के लगता है क्यों, why are you even putting your mind to this troll?
Yeah, sometimes I get hassled, but mostly it's if you go to my YouTube channel, on my page, I actually talk to people in the comment section who have something to say. Not trolls, like actual people who are watching.
Sucharita, as a critic, you have to build your own brand, right? So how much of the brand building is like, I'll just keep working and the brand will build, and how much of conscious effort do you put in? Like in your own channel, you mentioned कि अब सब कुछ only you are the one man army और आप भी सब कुछ कर रहे हो.
No, it's a lot. Dude, it's a lot of work. It's not just about putting videos out on YouTube. It's also how you're distributing it. So brand building doesn't just happen on YouTube. Brand building happens on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and all various places as well. So how I am approaching my work via all these social media platforms, like I have a team, like a manager who is also talking to on my behalf to other people, and I
Oh.
mean, not a social media manager. I'm talking on social media, but like, taking meetings with people and doing PR here and there. I have people who help me out with that, with the brand building of it all. As far as my
Okay.
work is concerned, in terms of the content that I'm putting out, the reviews that I'm writing, that's all me. So it's a lot. It's what you see is one 5-minute video, and then
Yeah.
people come in the comments and say, "You have the easiest job in the world." Sure, if that's how you feel it is, but काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं इसमें. आप इंस्टाग्राम के लिए किस किस्म का वीडियो बना रहे हो? इंस्टाग्राम पे भी 3 अलग अलग वीडियोस जाते हैं. स्क्वायर, रील्स 15
Yep.
सेकेंड्स. ट्विटर पे एक
Yep.
अलग वीडियो जाता है. हर एक वीडियो का थंबनेल अलग होता है. थंबनेल
Yep.
कैसे आप डिजाइन कर रहे हो, थंबनेल पे क्या डाल रहे हो, व्हाट टाइम ऑफ द
Yep.
डे यू आर पोस्टिंग ऑन व्हिच प्लेटफॉर्म्स, what are the
Absolutely
keywords you're
bang on.
using on which platforms. It's a
Yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
Like, I am a
Yeah.
proper social media consultant if anybody wants to hire me. I know this stuff. Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
does. Yeah, especially if you have a brother who thinks that it's all bullshit. हम लोगों की इसी बात पे इतनी लड़ाई होती रहती है, पता है?
बिल्कुल bullshit नहीं है. It's
मैं इसको वही समझाता हूँ यार, देयर इज अ साइंस टू एवरीथिंग, देयर इज अ टाइप ऑफ ऑडियंस दैट वी आर टारगेटिंग. उसके लिए इस तरह का एस्थेटिक्स वर्क, उसके लिए तेरा क्लिक बेटी टाइटल्स या रैंडम नॉनसेंस पुट ऑन यूट्यूब थंबनेल्स डज नॉट वर्क. यू आर पुटिंग आउट लेंथी वीडियोस. Educated people who understand English are going to listen to your videos, and not people who are going to click on nonsense just for the sake of like
There's
catchy.
an audience for everything, dude. There's an
Yeah,
audience
yeah.
for
Identify your
everything. You
product.
identify who you are reaching out to.
Correct.
And also, not even that. That's the secondary step. You first have to be clear on why you are doing what you're doing. And once you know why you are doing what you're doing, then you will find your audience. If you're just putting out content to get millions of views, that's all you want to do, so you can make some money off YouTube streaming, and that's what you want to do. That's what you do, and that's the kind of a lot of trash we see, especially on
Yeah.
Indian YouTube. On Indian
YouTube.
YouTube, the trending section is
Yeah.
depressing.
अरे भाई मतलब
very
आधे
bad.
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस
It is.
को अपना कंटेंट वहीं से मिलता होगा. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर.
It's quite bad. It's quite bad.
Yeah,
There's
it's
like
depressing,
really
yeah.
just like terrible, horrifying sketch shows, and like just really regressive, sexist bullshit. It's quite bad. But looks like that's what works, and that's what people keep pandering towards.
Yeah, I think that's what works on mainstream media also now. Total bullshit.
Depends on what you're watching, man.
Yeah. No, it's working for the audience. It's working for the audience.
Talking of absolute bullshit working on mainstream media, let's talk about your highest watched video or the movie
Must
that
we?
was your highest. अच्छा ठीक है, let's not talk about it.
Blech.
Just tell me, how do you react when something like this happens? So the maker of the said movie comes on to a video that is being hosted on a channel that you are associated with, calls you out, says all sort of drivel, all sort of nonsense, all sort of sexist shit, and people pile on to his messages and attack you like trolls. And there is a very high possibility that you might have to review his work again in some time.
I will.
How do you fucking keep your sanity? How do you keep your objectivity? मतलब, isn't it very human to get biased sentiments against that person?
Movie reviews are not objective. Movie reviews are not news. They are personal opinions
Right.
of the people. And it's a movie reviews are analyses, and an analysis will come from what you understand. If you don't understand something, you can't analyze it. I can't analyze American politics, like I said, because I don't understand it. I'm sitting at home and consuming it on television, just like you guys are. So I will not analyze it, but I can analyze sexism because I am a woman who lives it every day.
Yes.
So that's my life experience that I will put into a movie review analysis. So if I have experienced trolling on Twitter, that's a part of my life experience that goes into whatever I create, whether it is a caption for an Instagram post or a 1,000-word review of a film. You absorb everything.
Yeah.
And a film critic is not just a film critic, right? A film critic is a fully rounded human being
Yep.
who
Exactly.
has interests outside of cinema, and those interests shape your personality. I'm interested in science, I'm interested in history, I'm interested in cultures, languages, and that shapes me who I am as a film critic, which is how I communicate through my videos. That's my communication with the world. So ऑब्जेक्टिविटी न्यूज़ पीस नहीं है ये. आप न्यूज़ नहीं दे रहे हो कि ये फिल्म रिलीज हो गई है और इसको 5 में से 4 स्टार मिल गए फाइनल, बस, और कोई ओपिनियन मायने नहीं रख. नहीं, ये मैं क्यों लिख रही हूँ 1000 वर्ड्स अपने अंदर से निकाल के, जिससे कि एक एनालिसिस हो सके, एक कॉन्वर्सेशन हो सके. और एक फिल्म के बारे में लिखना एक अलग क्राफ्ट है unto itself.
Correct.
A film critic is creating something. A film critic is
Yep.
not just reacting to what they've seen, which is what a lot of YouTube channels and different things are doing right now. They're watching a film and then they're doing a live stream, 1 hour live stream of what they thought of it. That's a reaction.
Yeah,
You're not
reaction videos.
you're not creating anything. You're not contributing to the discourse in any way. In any
So
way.
this is this charge, so to speak, is thrown at the industry that you work in a lot, that you would cease to exist if there was no cinema. Your industry is thriving on the back of cinema, and that cinema which is being derided by you. How do you react to that?
I don't, because
Yeah.
it's a stupid argument made by people who don't understand how film criticism and film appreciation and analysis works. We're not sitting here to poke holes at work. We are only
Correct.
here to generate conversation. So work reaches more people. There's for example, something like The Great Indian Kitchen. How do you think that film is reaching so many new people? Because people who are watching it are talking about it. It's a
Talking about
snowball
it.
effect, right? And film critics are pushing that film forward. A film like Sir, which is such a wonderful film.
Yep.
Anybody who watched the film was like, you have to watch this film. You guys have to go and watch this movie. It's amazing. Now it's on Netflix and we're just tweeting about it all the time. So if you make a shitty film, then we're gonna say it's a shitty film. If you make a good film, we're gonna say it's a good film. So if people are sitting and saying, oh, you are only there to make fun of cinema, then you don't really understand what we are doing. And that's fine. I am not going to educate you. It's not my job to educate you. And I'm not interested in educating somebody who says, फिल्म नहीं होती तो तुम्हारा करियर नहीं होता. हाँ, नहीं, फिल्में नहीं होती तो एक्टर्स का करियर, वरुण धवन का करियर नहीं होता. What's your point?
हाँ.
Point क्या है
जैसे
तुम्हारा?
मतलब क्रिटिक्स आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द ऑडियंस. अगर तुम फिल्म बना के ऑडियंस को इंसल्ट कर रहे हो ऐसी फिल्म बना के, तो क्रिटिक्स भी तुम्हारी फिल्म की इंसल्ट करेंगे ना.
देखो, फिल्में जो होती है ना, एक विजुअल लैंग्वेज होती है ना, और हर एक लैंग्वेज को इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए चाहिए होता है कोई. क्योंकि अगर आपके ऊपर पूरे दिन जगह जगह से विजुअल्स आ रहे हैं, ऑलराइट, वी आर bombarded with visuals in the age that we live in constantly. This conversation is a visual conversation. Your phone that's beeping right now is showing you Instagram visuals. That's a visual conversation. And cinema is a very potent visual conversation. What I am doing is I'm interpreting it via my own lens, and then it's up to you if you like my interpretation or if you would like another interpreter to interpret it in a way that you understand better. So you choose your film critic, choose your publication. You don't like me, don't listen to me, go find somebody else. I am not pissed off with that. That doesn't offend me that you don't like my analyses of films. That's fine.
That makes a lot of sense. Yeah. So I can relate to what you're saying in my own life as well. So I follow sports a lot, and there are a few analysts that I like, and there are a few analysts that I don't. So after every game, I go to their YouTube channels, go to find them and listen to them. What were their thoughts on the game?
Yeah, and if you don't like somebody, don't watch them, man.
Yeah.
Conversations are complicated. Conversations are not simple. Conversations should not be simple. Conversations should be layered. They should be complicated, and they should encourage you to think for yourself. News channels are giving you information. So when you are questioning news
Are they?
channels, they're
Are they
supposed to be.
really?
Their job is to give you information, right? Where people are 99% people are consuming news channels and taking their word for whatever they're saying. So you
Yeah, they are.
question them. You say that this is not the truth. You're lying to me. You're not telling me the truth. A film review is an analysis. There is no truth or true or false to it. It is what it is. We've all seen the film. This is what I think of it. A cricket match, we've all seen it. This is what I make of the match, and this is where I think they went wrong, or this is where, we need probably focus on this a little bit more. Different things.
You said that it is a language and you interpret that language in such a way. So this is a very common question maybe. लेकिन अब आप एक बड़े critic हो गए हो. Have you ever been offered something कि इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से interpret करो? इसको थोड़े से अच्छे से interpret
So
करो.
I've never been offered money, but a lot of times, especially in this lockdown year, it so happened that a lot of people have tried to reach out to collaborate for a film review.
Oh.
And not like
Review.
not a film director directly, and not producers directly, because it's shady behavior and they don't do that directly. But we are sometimes agencies who don't know better try to reach out saying that, hey, this is coming up and can we collaborate for a review? What does that even mean?
Yeah.
A review is not a
Nice.
collaborative, it's not a collaborative process. So that kind of stuff. But it's वो ये सारे ना urban legends होते हैं कि इसको इतने पैसे ऑफर हुए हैं तो इसलिए इसने ये रिव्यू लिखा है. पता नहीं, मेरे साथ तो कभी
वैसे ये
हुआ नहीं.
असलियत में होता है वैसे, मतलब ऐसे
होता होगा
industry-
जी भाई, मैंने तो कभी देखा नहीं है होते हो. बट इसलिए नहीं देखा बिकॉज इट मे बी इट इज अ सीक्रेट, वेल गार्डेड सीक्रेट. पर मुझे कभी पैसे ऑफर हुए नहीं, और ना मैंने कभी किसी से रिव्यू लिखने के लिए पैसे मांगे हैं, बिकॉज छी छी.
एक बहुत ही मस्त लाइन बोली थी आपने लास्ट आंसर में कि इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट डोंट वॉच इट. एक चीज अभी काफी ज्यादा प्रेवलेंट है ना. इफ तो
Correct.
फिर ये इतना सब एंक्रोचमेंट ऑन एवरी डैम थिंग क्यों हो रहा है? अब तांडव का एग्जांपल ले लो. अभी अगर लोगों को कुछ चीज नहीं पसंद है, दे हैव एन ऑप्शन नॉट टू वॉच इट. अगर ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे सीरीज से जो ऑफेंस लेने का कल्चर शुरू हो गया, मतलब एक तरह से कुछ भी छोटी से छोटी चीज भी अगर तुम पुट आउट करोगे तो देयर विल बी पीपल हु विल बी हावरिंग अबाउट इट लाइक वल्चर्स के कहाँ पे इन्होंने हमको ऑफेंड किया है. दे लुक फॉर इट.
Yeah.
I don't even want to talk about what is happening with the stand-up scene and
Yeah.
the people who are getting affected. It genuinely disturbs me a lot to even speak about it. कि हाँ वो सोचने वाला था इस जोक के बारे में, इसलिए हमको जेल में डाल दिया. वो तो खैर
Yeah.
don't even want to talk about it.
No, we should
कहाँ
talk about it.
ठीक है, let us talk about it. Where are we going?
Listen, it is a, मुझे नहीं पता where we are going, but it is
हाँ,
very
पता
scary.
नहीं.
It is very terrifying, and it's very obvious also, na, who these people are and who they're affiliated to, and they're offending our gods and offending our culture and things like that. Like, your culture is not going to get affected by this. Your culture is too old and too strong and too widespread to be affected by a stand-up comics jokes. And who made you the chowkidar of this?
Guardian, yeah.
I didn't select you. I didn't select you to protect me or my culture. So why are you telling me what I should be watching and what I should not be watching? I'll decide what I should be watching and what I should not be watching and what I should be consuming. So it's all people can get offended and pissed off, sure, whatever. It's your, you don't like something, it pisses you off, you get pissed off, no problem. But it's when government officials get involved, when it gets
When the institutions
scary.
get involved?
When the institutions and government officials and police and the cops get involved, and when misuse of power happens, that's when it gets scary. Because you're telling me my jokes are unlawful. On what benchmark? Who decides? And so it's very scary, and it's disheartening, and it breaks your morale little by little every day. And it's very stressful, frankly. I think I live very stressed all the time, even though, no one has tried to put me in jail ever.
Yeah.
But they could next year. Who knows? It's stressful. It's very, very stressful.
And this is affecting people, so I'm trying that I'll start stand-up comedy. So I've joined a few groups, and in that the messages that we get, okay, people, if you want to do religious jokes, it's okay, but please don't do it at Underdogs Gurgaon. Like, they are telling people कि मत करो. So it is affecting people. Like, जो भी वो करना चाह रहे हैं,
पता
it
नहीं
is
end
affecting the
game
stand-up
क्या
scene.
है.
Yeah.
क्या चाहते हैं, क्या एंड गेम है, पता नहीं. I don't know. It's
So
just
it is a very similar conversation to what I was having with Vishu only a while back. So I am pretty active on Twitter. I put out a lot of my thoughts on Twitter, and मुझे कभी कभी डर लगता है कि यार जितना मैं बोलता हूँ कैन आई बी नेक्स्ट टू बी अरेस्टेड. मतलब इट इज अ वेरी रियल पॉसिबिलिटी कि इसके अगर ट्वीट्स एनालाइज करो तो इसने पिछले 50 ट्वीट्स ऐसे ऐसे किए हैं, इस टोन में किए हैं. So I can be considered offensive to somebody's sentiments, and without any proof तो जेल में डाल ही रहे हैं आजकल लोगों को. तो even I am a little scared. मेरी मॉम मेरे को बोलती रहती है तू ये सब क्यों डालता रहता है, क्यों बोलता रहता है, why do you have to be different, ऐसा ऐसा. So it is fucking scary.
yeah, all our
हाँ,
parents are saying
सेंटिमेंट
this to us.
सेंटिमेंट तो हो ही रहा है चेंज. एंड लाइक आफ्टर द कमिंग ऑफ पावर तो काफी सारे पेरेंट्स का लाइक इफ यू कॉल इट बिगेटरी,
It is
वो थोड़ा सा
bigotry.
आ गया.
It is call it out for what it is. It is bigotry.
Yeah, I don't know. It's
Well-
it's you know, you people say that oh public figures should be more daring and should speak their mind a lot more, and I agree, we should. It comes with a price. There's a toll, emotional toll that it takes, and there are days where I don't tweet about anything that's bothering me or anything that I want to bring attention to, because it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming, this sea of hate that comes at you sometimes. It's overwhelming, and then you ignore it for a few days and then you come back.
यार आप इमोशनल टोल की बात कर रहे हो. We had Agrima Joshua. I hope you know who she is.
Yeah.
We had her on the podcast quite a while back, and we still keep in touch pretty often. And off the record, she was telling about the kind of DMs she used to receive over a harmless joke, the level of the graphic details of the messages that she used to receive.
Yeah.
It is disgusting to the core. यार मतलब
Yeah.
you are talking about some individual, some human being in such a manner, bhai, to be on the receiving end of that, it is.
But yeah, listen, na, the internet rewards bad behavior, na.
Yeah,
Somebody
yeah,
who's
it does.
making these kind of videos has landed up in Big Boss. Can you imagine how
Yes,
much money
yes.
he's made? So hold Big Boss accountable for
Yeah.
encouraging this culture. Hold Colors TV responsible, or Voot, or whoever the responsible for encouraging this, that has given money to this man to be on national television, and then he has millions of followers now. Everybody
Yes.
wants to be him.
Yep.
People used to go to roadies because everybody wanted to be the next Ayushman Khurrana. ठीक है, समझ में आता है यार. Ayushman Khurrana is an actor, a good actor, and everybody is like, okay, roadies is the stepping stone to that.
is the way.
But now people are watching this on Big Boss and like, अरे मुझे भी ये बनना है. So then the next stepping stone is what? गाली दो, क्योंकि उसका कोई नुकसान तो है नहीं, उसका फायदा ही फायदा है.
फायदा ही
तो
हो
दे
रहा
रहे हैं गाली. नुकसान क्या, किसी का कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा.
सही में सोशल मीडिया रिवॉर्ड्स वो कार क्रैशेस वाला थ्योरी ना, जो सोशल डिलेमा में था कि कार क्रैश की तरफ लोग देखेंगे ही देखेंगे, सो यू जस्ट
Rubbernecking.
प्रमोट दैट.
Correct.
एंड जो यू टॉक्ड अबाउट के अग्रीमेंट को ऐसे मैसेज आते हैं, पीपल हु आर सेंडिंग दोस मैसेज डोंट सी दैट देयर इज अनदर ह्यूमन बीइंग
Correct.
एट
Receiving
द
end.
अदर एंड.
There's a person who's reading everything that you're putting
हाँ,
out.
वो नहीं सोचते हैं, वो बस
ऐसा आपके साथ भी होता है? आपको भी बहुत ऐसे रैंडम नॉनसेंस आता है
हाँ, constantly.
कि तुम
Almost
बायस्ड हो
constantly.
और तुम कुछ नहीं पता और तुम ये हो?
Yeah. मार दूंगा तुम्हें, ढूंढ लूंगा तुझे,
हाँ, घर पता है मुझे,
घर पता है, आ जाऊंगा. All constantly.
Fuck, man, fuck.
Yeah. ये लाइफ है, ये इंटरनेट पे. यही
अभी
है.
अगर कभी हाँ ये फेमस हो गया, वी आर टेकिंग इट स्लो, तो आपको भी और मेरे को भी आ रहे होंगे.
यही है इंटरनेट पे, और स्पेशली इंडिया में तो बहुत ही ज्यादा है ये. इंडिया में बहुत ही ज्यादा है ये, बहुत ज्यादा है हमारे, क्योंकि इंटरनेट पे मोस्टली आदमी है.
यार और हमारे
आदमियों
इंडिया
को
में
तो
लोग
power ही
बहुत फ्री
power
भी
है.
हैं, और बहुत फ्री भी हैं लोग.
जॉबलेस हो गए बहुत.
हाँ,
जॉबलेस का पता नहीं, जॉब वाले लोग भी बहुत गाली देते हैं. जॉबलेस नहीं, दैट्स नॉट अ क्राइटेरिया, दैट्स अगेन फॉल्स इक्विवेलेंस. वो क्राइटेरिया नहीं है. जिनके पास नौकरियां होती हैं वो भी बहुत गालियां देते हैं. स्ट्रेंथ की बात है. जहाँ पर जिस देश में हमने औरतों को सशक्त बनाया नहीं कि अपनी बात बोलो, वहां पर अगर सडनली कोई आ जाए और अपनी बात बोलने लग जाए तो वो पीपल डोंट लाइक इट ना. तो उसमें मैं
कभी
भाव
सोचा
दे
कि
रही
अपना social
हूँ.
media account वगैरह
मुझे तो
deactivate
लाइफ में
कर दूँ?
कभी किसी ने बोला नहीं ऐसा.
बहुत ही डिप्रेसिंग टर्न ले लिया हम लोगों ने पॉडकास्ट से ना, मतलब
यार मैं वही कह रही हूँ ना.
serious turn.
भाई लोग बोल रहे हैं कि आजकल तेरे कॉमेडी नहीं आती रिव्यूज में. हाँ से कहाँ से लाऊं मैं कॉमेडी? दिमाग में है ही नहीं कॉमेडी. दिमाग में
दुनिया में कहाँ है कॉमेडी?
दुनिया में कॉमेडी नहीं है. अंधकार ही अंधकार है. कहाँ से मैं तुम्हें फनी वीडियो बनाऊं? नहीं कर सकती मैं, सॉरी.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव रहने का ट्राई करते हैं। अगर मैं अभी सुचारिता 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हूँ और मुझे सुचारिता त्यागी बनना है,
हाँ,
तो मुझे क्या क्या करना चाहिए?
किताबें पढ़ो, जितनी किताबें पढ़ सकते हो पढ़ो, पढ़ते रहो। जितने जितने तरह तरह के लोगों से दोस्ती कर सकते हो करते रहो। ट्राई एंड मीट ऑल डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, रीड डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स, यूज योर फोन टू रीड रिसर्च पेपर्स इफ यू कैन, व्हाटएवर, जस्ट गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन, बी एन इन्फॉर्म्ड young teenager or an early young adult, and that will enable you to make better life choices in terms of not just your career but also the kind of life that you want to lead, the kind of person that you want to be, because स्कूल से ग्रेजुएशन होने के बाद पहला स्टेप आप ले रहे हो दुनिया में, और वो स्टेप किस डायरेक्शन में आपको लेना है उसके लिए इन्फॉर्मेशन रखो, फिर डिसाइड करो। तो पढ़ो, किताबें पढ़ो और इंटरव्यूज देखो लोगों के, जानकारी इकट्ठी करो बेसिकली।
आज तक ऐसे मतलब मूवी क्रिटिक बनने के बाद हैव यू वॉच्ड अ मूवी वेयर यू गॉट सो एंग्रॉस्ड कि यू थॉट कि नहीं एक बार रिव्यू के लिए एक बार और देखनी पड़ेगी?
नोट्स छोड़ देते हैं हाँ।
हाँ, नहीं ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होता है। अच्छी फिल्मों के लिए ऐसा
अंधाधुन
होता
में
है।
भी
Andhadhun, perhaps, yes, that was a while ago. I haven't thought about that film in a while. But, there are films that you feel like, acha, maybe I should watch this film again. But, like, more often than not, you don't have the time to watch films again. Like,
Yeah.
Tumbad, I think I watched like 3 times.
अरे ब्रिलियंट मूवी यार।
And then every time you watch it, you catch something new.
Yep.
And that's the kind of film that also then makes you want to write better, right?
Yeah.
Makes you want to do a better analysis of it. It pushes you, so it pushes the whole conversation forward when it is pushing the film critics forward to write better and to analyze better. पूरा साथ में आगे बढ़ते हैं।
सुचरिता, इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली ऑसम टॉकिंग टू यू यार, मतलब मजा ही आ गया आपसे बात करके। एंड थैंक यू
सही
सो
में।
मच फॉर टेकिंग सो मच टाइम आउट, एंड from the bottom of my heart, it was an absolute pleasure connecting to you. You were probably the first or second person I reached out to when we started the podcast. मैंने विशु के साथ एक अपनी गेस्ट लिस्ट चेकआउट करी थी कि किस किस को हम बुलाना चाहेंगे। You were the first or the second name in that list. So तब से मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ प्लीज आ जाओ, प्लीज आ जाओ, प्लीज आ जाओ। Finally you came on the podcast. Thank you so much for taking so much time.
50 email भेजने के लिए थैंक यू।
Bye, Sucharita. Thank you so much.
Bye guys.